the year that we bought our JUKI lines. It was the largest single JUKI purchase in the Western Hemisphere. I don't know that that's true. I like to believe it either way. But the JUKI folks did a great job getting us up and running. This was our first venture into high-speed lines. We'd had the MyDatas for our prototypes and pilot runs, and we wanted something with some real speed and real teeth. So we went all in. We also became the, if not the largest, one of the largest feeder purchases as well. Our machines are for the larger platform boards, so we can handle large size boards, and we're handling boards with placements in close to the 10,000 placement rate. So they're very capable machines. One of the areas that we're really unique in is that our machines have the RFID feeder systems, which allows us to not only be more efficient with the load, but it also helps make sure that the components are being placed properly, which reduces any issues that you find later down at test. So I can't be more pleased with how the machines are running. My purchase took almost 2 years for me to make. I would go to each of the Apexes, the SMTA shows and stuff like that, and I'd really kick the tires and understand. What really won it for me was JUKI's ability to perform in a smaller footprint, and their price to performance was very good. I did look at all the major players and got down to a few finalists. And just JUKI's ability to, one, embrace a manufacturer of our size. They deal with the big boys, but they still want to deal with us little guys. Their service is outstanding. Everything they've said the machines would do, it's done that plus more. So, you know, there's not been even a little bit of buyer's remorse in terms of doing them. Our JUKIs were, by spec, were expected 140,000 placements an hour. At the original spec, with the boards that we gave them to run the specs at, we're running at about 70,000 placements per hour. We're actually running between 80 and 90,000 placements per hour. So they overperformed even in what they said they were going to do through the sales cycle. Also, honestly, patience. I mean, I came from the prototype world and wanted to learn what it meant to be a production, supplier, and what I needed to do things right. And they really walked me through the whole gamut of what I needed to be thinking about, and became a consultant. And we're two and a half years down the road, and they're still doing the same thing for us. They're very willing to get on the phone and support us and talk to us, and they see it more as a partnership than just another vendor. And I don't have that with a lot of the equipment manufacturers. Oh yeah, they spend a lot of time out here tuning. I don't know if your viewers can tell, but we're on carpet. We're one of the few carpeted EMS companies in the world. It's electrostatic carpet, it's a great floor, but it does present a challenge for placing the machines. And so they were here for quite a while because they'd get them placed, get them balanced, and then it would settle a little bit more. And so they were very patient in that realm. So it's worked out really well. Their training is outstanding. Again, what they say is what they're going to do.